Landa pressure washers are not only built tough, but they are also built for safety. In this video, you'll learn how industry best practices combined with Landa's built-in safety features help maintain a safe workplace. Training is essential, and every user should read and follow the operating instructions prior to use. Here are some safety do's and don'ts to follow. Always wear personal protective equipment while operating a pressure washer, such as safety goggles, gloves, and closed-toe shoes, as the high-pressure spray can dislodge debris and particles can become airborne. The high-pressure spray can cut through skin, meaning never point the spray at yourself or others, as serious injury may occur. Ear protection is also encouraged if used daily for long periods of time, as pressure washers can exceed 85 decibels. It's best to assume a solid stance and firmly grasp the wand before pulling the trigger, as the gun will kick back. Before changing nozzles, always make sure the gun is closed and the safety trigger latch is engaged to prevent accidental activation of the trigger. Heed those warning labels to avoid touching hot surfaces like the muffler and the heating coil discharge area. When using a hot water pressure washer, the wand will become hot. Gloves are needed to protect your hands. Never use a gasoline-powered washer in an enclosed space, as the exhaust fumes contain poisonous carbon monoxide. When using an electric pressure washer, always plug a properly grounded pressure washer into a GFCI outlet and never use an extension cord. Before starting the pressure washer, start the flow of water from the contractor hose or have an adequate water supply. Never leave a pressurized unit unattended. When shutting off the washer, squeeze the trigger gun to relieve any trapped pressure in the hose. Check your surroundings and use extreme caution when spraying near electrical outlets, fuse boxes, transformers, and high voltage wires, as severe electrical shock or death may occur. Do not allow the washer to run for longer than 3 minutes with the spray gun in the closed position without relieving the water pressure. For refueling, turn the engine off. Allow the pressure washer to cool down a few minutes and refill in a well-ventilated area. It's recommended to use accessories for hard-to-reach areas rather than ladders or scaffolding. Additional safety features on Landa equipment includes a quick-release control to stop the flow of water on the trigger gun should you drop it. The wand length is at least 30 inches long to help prevent you from accidentally spraying yourself under high pressure. Safety relief components, such as a rupture disc and unloader valve, are there to protect against excessive buildup of pressure, while a thermostat automatically shuts down the burner on hot water pressure washers should the water overheat. Never override these safety components. A factory-installed ground fault circuit interrupter cord is installed on all electric-powered pressure washers, 250 volts or less, to prevent shock. Landa high-pressure hoses are protected by a 2-foot bend restrictor at the trigger gun to give strain relief to the hose connection and divert spray away in the event of a hose failure. A tire brake lever keeps the pressure washer from moving while in operation. All warning labels are clearly visible and contain operating instructions for multilingual operation. Following these procedures will result in much safer operation. Should you have any questions, reach out to your local Landa dealer who can provide additional training. A pressure washer is only as harmful as the person operating it. Be safe and be Landa tough.